Hi, this video is part 2 of a series in which I will take you through a small journey with me drawing an eye and partial face. If you have not seen part 1 of this series, check out the link in the description, or just select part 1 at the end of this video. If you don't want to miss the other parts of this series as they become available, please don't forget to subscribe and select the notification bell. Also, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button. Okay, my iris looks as though it's nearing completion in a sense. I feel as though that this highlight here really makes it, and it sort of makes it more realistic. I haven't finished this highlight, mind you. I've got some eyelashes coming here. It's like an image of the actual eyelashes up above here. Hopefully it will start to look even more realistic. Anyway, so I'll carry on with this part, the highlight, and then move on to the eyeball, the white. I thought I'd just mention that although I said that I'd add eyelashes or the image of eyelashes here, I will leave that till later. It's probably wise to do that. Do the surrounding areas first and then add in those kind of, well, it's like finishing touches, isn't it, later. Well, it's starting to look more like an eye now. So the pupil, the iris, we've got a highlight here. The eyeball is looking okay. There's blood vessels there you can see as well, making it look a bit more realistic. My next challenge, what I need to do is, the skin, depending on the part of the face, has different types of texture. And here it's a little bit blotchy, but it's very faint. So I've been using my pencil, circling around and then blending it, and then sort of rubbing bits out in circles, and then blending it, and then rubbing a bit more out and blending it, and then maybe adding more pencil, and just I'm going through that process. Okay, that is not light enough actually. I want a contrast between here and there. So we can have this quite light and then you deal with shading etc. later. actually want this much lighter, especially this top half here, because the shadow, well, it goes right in nice and tight here. This will be very dark. So as you can see, I've just gone over with the 8B pencil very lightly, and lots of little circles here then everywhere. At the moment it looks awful, right? Doesn't look like skin at all. And of course this is just the first stage, and then as I said, I go over it with the blender, go over it with the eraser in the same kind of circular formations, then blend it, and then the darker areas that might be okay, and then the lighter areas, the highlights, you might want to use the eraser. That's the idea behind this. So let's see how we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this drawing. I'm still progressing with it. Please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on the other parts. And there's also the little notification bell that if you hit, you'll be notified as soon as I have uploaded. Check out the description, there I will also link the other parts as they become available. Thank you.